Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. Xcopy and Robocopy are two Windows built-in command line file copy utilities. Both of them can help you copy files and folders from one location to another. Today you will learn everything about them in this video. Part 1. Difference between Xcopy and Robocopy. Part 2. How to use Xcopy and Robocopy step by step. Let's see the differences first. These two command line tools are often used in file transfers for Windows. Here are the differences. Number 1. Robocopy uses mirroring, Xcopy does not. Robocopy is used to mirror or synchronize directories. It will be able to check the target directory and delete files that are no longer in the main tree. It will also check the files in the target directory against the files to be copied, and will not waste time copying unchanged files, while Xcopy will only copy all files from one directory to another. Number 2. Robocopy has automation settings. Xcopy does not. Using the run hours option with Xcopy allows you to set when copies should be done, rather than the time of the command as with Xcopy. This automation is most useful for performing daily backups or large batch jobs that require some time but do not require interaction. Number 3. Robocopy has monitoring support. Xcopy does not. Robocopy supports file and directory monitoring with these two commands. The first one copies the file to the destination with n or more changes, while the second one will check the file every n minutes for any changes, then copies it when there are. This is similar to saving files regularly while processing them, but it is more efficient. Then how to use them? Please keep watching. Now I will explain how to use the Xcopy command to copy files and subfolders and their contents from one location to another. Type cmd in the search box. Select Run as Administrator. You can type Xcopy command as below. For example, if you want to copy test folder and its subfolders on C drive to D drive, then you should type Xcopy command like this. Here, /e means copy subdirectories, including any empty ones. /h means copy files with hidden and system file attributes. /c means continue copying even if an error occurs. /i means if in doubt, always assume the destination as a folder. Next, I will explain how to use the Robocopy command to transfer files from one location to another. Also open cmd. Here we transfer these two files from E drive backup test to F drive backup task 1 as an example. You can type Robocopy command as below. Now you know how to use Xcopy and Robocopy, but the whole process seems complicated. Both the utilities also have some shortcomings, like both Xcopy and Robocopy will not copy open files. Xcopy doesn't display any progress or completed operation information when executed. It is not useful for backing up live operating system volumes. Robocopy does not mirror properly on systems older than Windows Vista. It ignores changed security attributes of previously mirrored files. If you want to find an easier way to copy files, the best free Xcopy and Robocopy alternative, Almay Backup Standard, is highly recommended. This freeware is designed with a user-friendly graphical interface, which is easier to operate than above two Windows utilities. It allows you to sync files to a USB drive, network location, NAS device, cloud drive, and so on. It enables you to do automatic sync for frequently changed data, thus saving you from repetitive work. It allows you to copy open files without effort, and it will not affect the copying process when using the file. You can Google Almay Backup Standard to know more. Launch Almay Backup Standard to come to its homepage. Click Sync and select Basic Sync. click Add Folder to select the folder which you want to synchronize. Select the destination location to store the folder. Here, click Options. You can write a note for your task and check the email notification option. Click Schedule. You can schedule the required sync task to sync files daily, weekly, monthly. Then click Start Sync to perform the operation. This video shows you the difference between Xcopy and Robocopy, and gives you instructions for performing file copy operations with these two tools. But they all have some limitations. In this case, Army Backuper can help you solve these problems. In addition to synchronization functions, it also provides backup, recovery, and cloning functions, and other useful tools. Hope this video can help you a lot. Want to know more about Army? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.